Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I'd love to talk to you about this beautiful, exquisite sharp knife block set. This is the gorgeous 23-piece Cangshan's S1 series. It has a great combination of aesthetics and functionality. I love how sharp these gorgeous blades are, how precise they are, and I love how they even look in my kitchen. This block is made out of acacia wood, so it's going to last a very long time. It's important to have a very high quality set of knives in your kitchen. It's going to make you succeed. So whether you're cutting up vegetables, meat, peeling apples, even cheese, this set has every knife that you will ever need. And they are super razor sharp, especially because they've been treated and hand sharpened to a 16-degree angle per side. And putting them away couldn't be easier, as it comes with a little picture on the manual to show you how to keep them in their proper place. They can fit right. And along with proper cleaning and care, putting them away in your knife block will ensure that they will last a very long time. These gorgeous knives are made out of a German steel for incredible durability, stain resistance, and exceptional edge retention. But of course, we need to do our part in looking after these and not letting them soak in water or leaving food on them very long. We need to keep these clean and polished to ensure them lasting a very long time. So this set of knives, this gorgeous block set, is going to last you a very long time. Something you might even want to pass down. I'm very happy with it. I love it. I get nothing but compliments on it, and it just brings an extra little touch of class to my kitchen. And that's my point of view.